In the last video, we saw how to add Meet Attendance extension to desktop version of Google Chrome web browser. In this video, we will see how to use that extension to take attendance during Google Meet sessions. Foremost thing to do is to restart the Chrome web browser after installing the extension. A Google Meet has already been started for the purpose of this demonstration. Locate the Show Everyone icon on Google Meet window. Click to find the icon for Meet Attendance extension. It will be the one in the middle with a tick mark symbol. Let us now see how to use this extension. Once the participants have logged in, we can start taking the attendance. There will be several options available under the extension. Do not click the icon, just hover over the icon to see the options. As you can see, there will be 4 options. Each of this has a separate purpose which will be discussed in this video. So let's see them one by one. First, click the extension icon with a tick mark. This will open a new Google Sheet in which the attendance will be recorded. This file will have the same name as the time on which it was created for easy recognition. Let us now find out the function of the first option. It is marked with a plus sign and 2 overlapping sheets. When you click this option and then click on the extension icon, a new worksheet within the same file is created. The worksheet will also have a separate timestamp. Now on to the second option, which is also marked with a plus sign but a single sheet. When you click this option and then click on the extension symbol, you can see a new file with a different timestamp being created. So the first option, when selected, created a new worksheet in the same file, while the second option created a new file itself. Moving on to the third option, which is a horizontal toggle button. This toggle can be switched on and off by clicking on it. When switched on, this option is the one which records the attendance. But as you can see, attendance of only the first 10 participants is recorded, but the actual participants who have joined are more in number. So how do we take the attendance of all participants? This function is fulfilled by the fourth option, which is a vertical toggle button. This can also be turned on and off by clicking on it. It is advised to turn on this vertical toggle button when a number of participants exceeds 15 to 20. When both the horizontal and vertical toggles are switched on, you just need to scroll down once and the extension will take the attendance of all the current participants by scrolling down on its own. Now you can see attendance of all the participants who had joined before switching on the toggles has been recorded. Click on the extension icon to see the recorded attendance. As told earlier, this attendance will be recorded in the latest created Google Sheet, and it has a timestamp as well. You can scroll down and see that all the participants have been included now. Now suppose there are some more participants who joined after the attendance was already recorded. In that case, just turn off the horizontal toggle and keep the vertical toggle switched on. Then turn the horizontal toggle back on again. Scroll down just a little bit and let the extension take the attendance again. Once the attendance is recorded, simply go back to the file in which previous attendance was taken and you can see a new record with a new timestamp has been created. Now this option can be used as many times as you want and at any stage of the meeting by anyone who has a Meet Attendance Chrome extension installed. So that is how attendance is taken using this useful extension. The record of the attendance can be accessed at any time as well. Just make sure to log in with the same Google account. Click on the Google Apps icon, scroll down to find the Google Sheets app and click to access it. Once it is opened, all the Google Sheets we just created can be seen here. The latest edited one will be on top. Click to open it. See that both attendance records we took are available here. To download, click on File, then Download option and select the file extension you want to download. Here we are choosing the Excel format. The file will be downloaded. You can open and access it as per your convenience. That was about how to take attendance with the Meet Attendance Chrome extension, which is an easier way to record the attendance when doing Google Meets. Thank you.